Hello everyone, myself Satish Kalra. First of all, welcomes all of you in my channel Ultimate Science by Satish Kalra. And today we are doing topic mole concept in case of gases and some important formulas related to mole concept of class +1, chapter number 1, basic concept in chemistry. And in my previous videos, I have covered the topic mole concept in case of elements and mole concept in case of compounds. Now, mole concept in case of gases. We know in my previous video, I have told you that 1 mole of any compound is always equal to 6.022 into 10 to the 23 molecules of that compound. अब यहां मॉलिक्यूल है तो नेक्स्ट टर्म क्या होगी इक्वल टू ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ दैट कंपाउंड। और ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास है तो उससे नेक्स्ट टर्म क्या होगी 1 ग्राम मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ दैट कंपाउंड। So 1 mole of compound is equal to 3 things, 6.022 into 10 to the 23 molecules is equal to gram molecular mass is equal to 1 gram molecule. But here we have to concentrate on gases. So we know gases are also made up of molecules. So इस लाइन में थोड़ी सी ही मॉडिफिकेशन होगी। क्या होगा, यहाँ है 1 mole of any compound, अब हम यहाँ कंपाउंड की जगह गैस करेंगे। 6.022 into 10 to the 23 molecule of that compound, कंपाउंड की बजाय गैस। ग्राम molecular mass of that compound, यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा गैस। और 1 ग्राम molecule of that compound, यहाँ भी क्या आ जाएगा गैस। सो क्या बन जाएगा 1 mole of any gas is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the 23 molecules of that gas is equal to gram molecular mass of that gas is equal to 1 gram molecule of that gas. सो एलिमेंट है या कंपाउंड है, वहां पर 1 mole 3 चीजों के बराबर है, it is equal to 3 things. But in case of gases, there is one additional thing, it is equal to 22.4 liter of that gas at NTP. NTP is the normal temperature and pressure. This is 273 Kelvin temperature and 1 atmosphere pressure. So 1 mole of any gas is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the 23 molecules of that gas is equal to gram molecular mass of that gas is equal to 1 gram molecule of that gas is equal to 22.4 liter of that gas at NTP, that is 273 Kelvin temperature and 1 atmosphere pressure. So let's have one example. One example, suppose we are having NH3 gas. We know NH3 is ammonia. It means we are having ammonia gas. So in case of ammonia gas, what is the value of 1 mole? First of all, we will find out the molecular mass of ammonia. As the formula indicate, ammonia contains 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. So molecular mass is 1 into atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, plus there are 3 atoms of hydrogen and atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 1 into 14 plus 3 into 1, that is 14 plus 3, 17 AMU. So molecular mass of NH3 is 17 AMU. So as per 1 mole line, 1 mole of any gas, so यहाँ gas की जगह क्या आएगा NH3 is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the 23 molecules of that gas. So क्या आएगा molecules of NH3 is equal to gram molecular mass of that gas. We know molecular mass of ammonia is 17 AMU और gram molecular mass में क्या होगा, सिर्फ यूनिट चेंज. So 17 gram of NH3 is equal to 1 gram molecule of that gas. So 1 gram molecule of NH3 is equal to, last extra one thing, 22.4 liter of NH3 at NTP. And this 22.4 liter is called molar volume. You have studied in my previous video some basic terms related to mole concept. So this is the 22.4 liter of NH3 at NTP. So this is about 1 mole of NH3 gas. Now have one numerical related to mole concept in case of gases. Now one numerical, find out mass and volume occupied by 3.011 into 10^21 molecules of SO2. अब हमें गिवन क्या है 3.011 into 10^21 molecules of SO2 और हमें इनसे क्या निकालना है, इस SO2 का हमें मास निकालना है साथ साथ वॉल्यूम. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल SO2, we know SO2 is sulfur dioxide. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गिवन डाटा हमारे पास 3.011 into 10^21 molecules of SO2 था और गिवन डाटा किसके बारे में था, SO2 sulfur dioxide, and sulfur dioxide is a gas. So firstly we will write down the line related to 1 mole of SO2. So 1 mole of any gas is equal to SO2 is equal to, so first इससे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, मॉलिक्यूलर मास निकालेंगे. पहले हम मॉलिक्यूलर मास निकाल लेते हैं. So firstly molecular mass of SO2. अब हम यदि SO2 के मॉलिक्यूलर मास की बात करें तो हम देख रहे हैं we are having 1 atom of sulfur. So 1 into atomic mass of sulfur is 32 plus 2 atom of oxygen. 2 into atomic mass of oxygen is 60. So 32 plus 32, that is 64 AMU. This is the molecular mass of SO2. Now 1 mole of any gas SO2 is equal to 6.022 into 10^23 molecules of SO2 is equal to gram molecular mass of SO2. We are seeing that the molecular mass of SO2 is 64 AMU. So gram molecular mass is 64 gram of SO2 is equal to 1 gram molecule of SO2 and is equal to 22.4 liter of SO2 at NTP. So this is the line related to 1 mole of SO2. Now our question, we have to find out mass and volume occupied by 3.011 into 10^21 molecules of SO2. Now we have to find out mass of 3.011 into 10^21 molecules of SO2 is equal to oblique का साइन. अब हमें फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मास. तो इस लाइन में देखेंगे कि हम मास वाली वैल्यू कौन सी है, एंड वी नो द यूनिट ऑफ मास इज किलोग्राम और ग्राम. सो किलोग्राम या ग्राम वाली चीज कौन सी है, दैट इज द 64 टर्म. दिस टर्म विल बी पुट एज न्यूमरेटर. अब देखेंगे गिवन क्या है, 3.011 into 10^21 मॉलिक्यूल्स. अब गिवन है हमारे पास इतने मॉलिक्यूल्स, तो इसमें सिर्फ यूनिट देखना है मॉलिक्यूल. तो इस पूरी लाइन में देखा मॉलिक्यूल वाली टर्म कौन सी है, ये रही 6.022 into 10^23. ये कहाँ जाएगा, बॉटम में डिनोमिनेटर के प्लेस पर, और मल्टीप्लाई किससे करना है, जो ये गिवन था इससे, 3.011 into 10^21. अब इसे कैंसिल किया, ये 2, इसे सोल्व करेंगे 32/100 और सोल्व किया, दैट इज 0.32 ग्राम. So mass of 3.011 into 10^21 molecules of SO2 कितना है, 0.32 ग्राम. सेम वे से अब हमें निकालना है वॉल्यूम ऑक्युपाइड बाय 3.011 into 10^21 molecules of SO2 इक्वल टू वही सेम केस, ऑब्लिक का साइन, ऊपर क्या आएगा वॉल्यूम. इस लाइन में देखा वॉल्यूम वाली चीज क्या है, 22.4 लीटर, वो आ जाएगा ऊपर. गिवन क्या है मॉलिक्यूल्स, इस लाइन में देखा मॉलिक्यूल वाली चीज कौन सी है, यहाँ रही ये वाली, ये आ जाएगी नीचे डिनोमिनेटर के प्लेस पर, और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसे 3.011 into 10^21 से. जब हम इसे सोल्व करेंगे तो हम क्या देखेंगे, हमारे पास आएगा 11.2 डिवाइड बाय 100 और इसे सोल्व करेंगे 0.112 लीटर. So this is the volume occupied by 3.011 into 10^21 molecules of SO2. So this is all about mole concept in case of gases. Now some important formulas related to mole concept. This is our next topic. Our first formula is about finding out number of moles. Number of moles are represented by small n. So the first formula is the number of moles of any substance is equal to given mass of substance divided by molar mass of substance. The substance can be any element, compound, or gas. So in this case, if we have to find out the number of moles, then the given mass of that substance will be divided by the molar mass of that substance. This is our first formula. Second is for finding out the number of moles are represented by n, small n. So given number of constituent particles divided by Avogadro's number. And we know the value of Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10^23. So if we have to find out the number of moles of any element, so we know element are made up of atoms. So यहाँ क्या आएगा? Given number of atoms आ जाएगा divided by Avogadro number. In case of any compound or gas, we know compound or gas are made up of molecules. So number of moles equal to given number of molecules divided by Avogadro number. Next formula. Next formula, applicable only in case of gases. Number of moles is equal to given volume of any gas condition क्या है? It should be in liter or decimeter cube divide by 22.4 liter or 22.4 decimeter cube. We know 1 liter is equal to 1 decimeter cube. So यदि किसी गैस का वॉल्यूम गिवन है, हमें मोल्स निकालना है, तो उसकी गिवन वॉल्यूम को 22.4 लीटर से डिवाइड कर देंगे. So these are the formulas for finding out the number of moles. Now there is one important formula for finding out number of atoms. The number of atoms is equal to given value of mass of an element in AMU or U divided by atomic mass of that element. Number of atoms of any element find out करना है. Now this formula, given value of mass of an element in AMU or U divided by atomic mass of that element. So कई बार क्या है हमें आता है find out the number of atoms in 52U of helium. So वहां ये ऐसे निकलेगा. अब देखिएगा मैं इसे सोल्व करके बता रहा हूं. Find out number of atoms in 52U of helium. We know helium is an element, so atomic mass of helium is 4 AMU. U लिख सकते हैं. So number of atoms in 52U of helium is given mass of element in U, that is 52U, divided by atomic mass of element for U. You see U cancel, 4 से cancel करेंगे, answer is 13. So number of atoms in 52U of helium is 13. This is about number of atoms. Same way से number of molecules in given U of any compound or gas, तो वहां क्या होगा, given mass in U means AMU of compound or gas divided by molecular mass of that compound or gas. And it is similar to the number of finding out the number of atoms in given U of any element. So this is all about mole concept in case of gases and some important formulas related to mole concept. Hope you learned a lot from my video. If you like my video, then you can share my video and you can subscribe my channel Ultimate Science by Stage Kalra. Thanks a lot.